Good morning, my dear student. Today class, continue with your last class. You check it, the formula of the lenses, the formula of lens. And magnification m equal to small h by capital H equal to V by U and P equal to 1 by F. Those are the formula. With the help of those formula, you can solve the numericals. Suppose from your NCERT book, you check it. So many numericals are there. From your exercise, you check it. First, question number 10. An object 5 centimeter in length. NCERT book. Sum number 10, page number 186. So, you check the question. An object 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. 5 centimeter length means (5 centimeter). 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. Converging lens means convex lens. 25 centimeter away from the lens. (25 centimeter away from the converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter). Centimeter. Draw the ray diagram and find the position and size and nature of the image. Suppose you consider this is the lens, that is the principal axis, optical center, this is the focal length whose distance is 10 centimeter from here. The object is 25 centimeter. C is here 25 centimeter. Height of this object is 5 centimeter. You know it from your concept of ray diagram. If the object is placed beyond the C, image will form in between C and F. You know it. With the help of the scale and pencil, you draw the diagram, you see it, the image will form in between C and F. In between C and F. You draw it with the help of the pencil and the scale. So this is the ray diagram. You find out the position of the image and nature of the image. From lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. 1 by V equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25. The LCM is 55 minus 2. V equal to 50 by 3. 550, 25 दुगुने 25. So image distance equal to 16.67 centimeter. It will be virtual image. Real image, because V is positive. V is positive. And you find out the height of the image. Height of the image. Height of the image from magnification M equal to small h by capital H equal to V by U. H equal to 5 centimeter, V equal to 50 by 3 and U equal to minus 25. U equal to minus 25. What will be the value? 50 by 3 into 1 by minus 25 equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. So value of H will be minus 10 by 3 equal to minus 3.33. 3.3. Then 3.3. Smaller in size. Real image. .3 centimeter. You check it. What is its answer? Chapter number 3, numerical number 10. Numerical number 10, 16.7 centimeter, 67 centimeter, and 3.3 centimeter. This is real inverted. Lens on the other side. So you check it and you try to complete with the help of the theorem, formula. So you know those formulas, so you put it and complete the numericals. Suppose second numerical, next numerical. Next numerical, numerical number 11. Numerical number 11. Numerical number 11. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter form an image. A concave lens. Concave lens. Focal focal length 15 centimeter and image 10 centimeter from the lens forms an image image distance V 15 centimeter and 10 centimeter from the lens. How far in the object placed from the lens? And draw the ray diagram. Object distance. One by 15. Fifteen and 10 LCM is 30. 2 minus 3, that is equal to the object distance is 30 centimeter. Draw the ray diagram. You draw it. Optical center, this is the focus and that is the C. Focus is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter, object is here. With the help of the scale, you draw the diagram. With the help of the scale, you must draw the diagram. The image will form in this position. So, object is here. This is the 30 centimeter. This is the 15 centimeter. This is the 10 centimeter. So this for the ray diagram of that numerical. So the two numericals completed. An object is placed at a distance convex mirror. The magnification produced by the plane mirror. Lens is in front of the convex mirror. Number 17, concave. Find the focal length of the power of lens minus 2 diopter. What type of lens? Question number 16. Numerical number 16. Power of the lens is equal to minus 2 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens of power is minus 2 diopter. You find out the focal length of that lens. So power equal to 1 by focal length. Focal length. Power P equal to 1 by F. F equal to 1 by P equal to 1 by minus 2 meter. $50 centimeter. Concave lens, whose focal length 50 centimeter. So, last numerical, a doctor has prescribed plus 1.5 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens. Find the focal length of the lens means this is the plus. So, it will be plus. Plus means it is the convex lens and whose focal length is 1 by 1.5. 1 by 1.5 means 100 by 1.5 meter. Okay, so you can try to complete it. You try to solve it. Any numerical from your books or sample paper on anywhere, any problem, you will come with your e-portal class. Thank you, my dear student.